Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change auto backlight settings on the Nokia Smart TV. And to do this, we'll need to click on the three lines button on the remote, then go for the settings on the right, and here scroll down for device preferences. Then select the picture mode, and here make sure that you use you can use whichever mode you like. There's auto backlight, and you can change those settings right here between off, low, middle or echo mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.